yeah, hopefully you've got in your fabric by now. If not, don't worry about it. You can do this when you get your fabric. But we're going to talk about, you know, do you wash your head, do you wash your fabric ahead of time? And I say that the safer than sorry route is to wash it ahead of time. Now, it all depends though on how you plan on cleaning this garment, you know, in its life. So if you plan on dry cleaning it, then don't worry about it. If you want to machine wash and dry it, then the safer route is to just pre-wash and pre-dry, that whole thing. Then, what you're going to want to do once you're done, you know, figuring that out and going whatever route suits you, is you're going to want to cut out your pattern pieces. Now, I have a kind of a rule-breaking way to do this in the sewing tutorial. Watch like the first 10 minutes of the tutorial that's linked down below. Or you can cut it out according to how the pattern is laid out. It's about twice as much fabric, and there's no right or wrong here. So go and do whatever way you want to do it. Now, in the route that I have linked down below, in the kind of rule-breaking way I've been referring to it, you won't get an entire sleeve. You will get the top of each sleeve, and then I finished those sleeves off with lace. So go whatever route you want to do, because it is sewing, so you do you. And then you don't need to pre-wash your lace, like your French lace if you're using that, or your lace tape. I've never had an issue with it shrinking after the fact, and I've never pre-washed mine. So I feel very confident saying you don't need to pre-wash those things. But yeah, that's how you get prepared for this. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments below, and I will do my best to answer them. And yeah, I appreciate y'all for watching, and I hope to catch you on the next one.